Hi, I'm John Lockwood from John Next Door, and I've just received my version, or the version, of my new Papercraft Society box. I am so excited to open this and share with you what's inside this. And I have to start with, as a crafter and a complete packaging addict, I absolutely love the packaging. This is something that will stay as a keepsake even when I've used everything in here. The box is based on the papers and has this beautiful gold foiling of the text, and I believe that's a stamp in there. So let's get it open and share with you what's in there. So when we open it up, it's all in my colours. I love this lovely mix of sort of beige and blue. I'm going to pull my camera up so you can see a little bit more. But it's got this beautiful thing. I've put the quote in there. What makes a crafter's heart sing? New hope, new season, but more importantly, new stash. That to me is really important. So we've got the full colour book. This is fabulous. I did a few projects for in here, so you can see some makes by me. That's one of mine on the front. But every single page is literally full of different inspiration, ideas and things to do with all the bits in the kit. There are step-by-steps, and they're all by me and the Angels, who are my design team, who work really hard with me to get everything right. So you've got a booklet telling you what to do. I think that's fabulous. There's also a video showing you an extra make that's not included in that booklet that I've made exclusively for CraftStash on this. So you open it up, and don't ruin the tissue paper because it's in the same colour. I think that's fabulous. So you've got this massive hank of grosgrain ribbon in the same cream to start with. So that is absolutely fab. Let's move the box out. So let's go into our little pochette. This is so clever the way it's done. Again, all based around the papers. So if, unlike me, you don't like to keep your packaging, you can use all of this. You can cut all of this up to match with the kit. But you get so much more than just a kit in here. So when we open this out, just love the way it's done. So every bit can be used. So you've got this fantastic embossing folder. It's a 5-inch embossing folder with these beautiful sort of silhouette butterflies on it, on this sort of circle geometric pattern. And you'll find this matches with loads of dies in the John Next Door range, like the bubble frame and things. It will fit within there, fit within the frame makers. Then you get the stamps, and I wanted these to be really, really versatile. These were supposed to be, you know, sort of something completely usable. So I'm going to put a piece of white card in the back so you can see. So you've got this frame, and the frame is separate. Then you've got this, and it's in the oval, and the oval fits with all of mine and press cut dies. Let's just take that off so you can see. I love doing this. So you can see in here, you've got this oval of music, again, which is a completely separate stamp. So you can use that for stamping the hand to create backgrounds and things like that. You've got this little block of text which matches with the papers. You've got exactly the same. These stamps will match perfectly with the dies that are in the set, giving this lovely foliage. Then you've got sentiments, music, little butterflies that have got text in them, solid butterflies, little musical notes, little mini butterflies. It's all around this beautiful butterfly design. So that is your stamps. We've done the embossing folder. The dies in this, it's such a big set. It's an A5 set of dies. You've got a fabulous frame, and the frame matches this sort of flower stencil die. And when you go through the magazine, you'll see that this die doesn't cut you flowers. It cuts you this beautiful sort of stencil that you can just lay over some of the patterned papers or your inky backgrounds. But you can use the individual petals to make up flowers if you want. But that flower and those butterflies have been echoed in this frame. You've got separate butterflies. You've got outside line butterflies. You've even got 2 dies that will cut out those fabulous stamps. So you've got a detailed foliage and dies to cut them out, and the butterflies in there. So you've got all of that just in this little pochette. So A5 dies, A5 stamp set, the embossing folder. I just want to put it back nicely because it just looks so nice. So that's your little pochette of sort of products, but that's not all in this one. So you've got, obviously we've gone through, you've got your ribbon, but then in here you've got all your embellishments and papers as well. Oh, they're just so beautifully done. So we'll get to those in a second. So you've got 2 sheets of washi, and these are actually strips of washi tape matched to the colours of the papers. So you've got things that say happy birthday, wonderful friend, you are so special, all in the font that I've designed, all put together by me. So none of this is bought off the shelf. This is all items that have been designed to match into this. So you've got a couple of sheets of that. Then you get your coordinating cardstock. So matching all of those colours, I don't like to spoil things, I really don't. So let's just open that up a little bit. Ooh. Again, you can use that if you want to, but you've got these fab shades that go from blue to cream to 2 soft pinks. So you've got a really gorgeous selection of card in the colours that match exactly with it. I mean, just putting it together like that to me is so beautiful. And then you've got your papers. And your papers, again, I've designed these and put these together, working with some fabulous licensed work as well as some own work on this one, all in these shades. So all of these are based around this idea of text and butterflies. They've sort of got gesso on them, big pieces that will make the front of cards. Again, beautiful 3D looking papers. I think these are just fabulous. They look as if they've been embossed, and they would actually emboss beautifully. And of course, the fantastic thing about the Papercraft Society box is if you want more of the papers, you can just download them, and it actually tells you exactly where you can download the papers. But I want to show you one project that I did that I absolutely adored. Let me find it. There we go. Where I've just used the stamps, the papers, and the embellishments, and then a few of the die cuts, because we still haven't gone through the embellishments. So you get these beautiful little envelopes, and I think I resealed mine because I have had a sneaky look inside already. So let's just open these up. Let's grab some scissors. And in here you've got all your little glass dewdrops that you can use in the middle of your flowers to decorate your cards, to add water drops on there. Just fabulous to add a sort of, on that paper, I hope you can see that, they just add such an impact to it. So you've got all of those, and these are glass, so they're not plastic, these are actually glass beads. And then in your other one, and I have used some of these, I have resealed the envelope again, so let's cut it off the top. You've got your little wooden pegs, which allow you to clip on your butterflies, and these actually work, and they're tonally right for this pack. So everything is included. All you need to add is a couple of card blanks and some glue, and you are well away. So this is the Papercraft Society for January 2025, designed by me, John Lockwood, as part of the John Next Door collection. And it is beautiful butterflies in this amazing palette with dies, stamps, embossing folder, embellishments, papers, card, ribbon, absolutely everything you would need. I really hope you enjoy using this kit as much as I have, and keep an eye out for the video where I make an exclusive card project just for you. Take care, guys.